Because we know a lot of folks aren't working today. A lot of people have been working, especially at home, online, which means you've had a lot of Zoom in your life. And apparently seeing ourselves on Zoom this past year hasn't served everyone well. In fact, it's made some of us very self-conscious. So it seems that staring at your own face has led to a condition called Zoom dysmorphia. And dermatologists are reportedly seeing more patients in their office as a result of this phenomena. The question is it real, and what exactly is it? So here to tell us is licensed clinical psychologist, Dr. Jamie Zuckerman. Thank you for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, first I want to start off with, what is Zoom dysmorphia exactly?
So Zoom dysmorphia it's not a recognized clinical diagnosis, but it is very real. It's sort of a form of facial dysmorphia where we become so focused on a particular facial feature. And it's not something like, I don't like my ears or I don't like my nose. It's a preoccupation with it to the point where it causes extreme distress, a lot of shame, a lot of embarrassment. People will do whatever they can to avoid the situation.
And I guess when you think about it, it's not the most flattering angle anyway. I mean, if the camera's underneath you, who wants to, it's basically we don't like the way we look when we're looking at ourselves all day.
Exactly. The lighting and the angles of Zoom does not help.
So how do you know if you're actually having an issue with it and it's not just the usual, like, oh, I don't look good today kind of thing? How do you know, like, okay, this might be something I need to do something about?
So it's chronic, and it almost feels debilitating. The anxiety is so overwhelming that it's hard to focus on whatever you need to do. So while you're on the Zoom, you're not able to focus on what's going on. You can't take in information. But the key difference is that with Zoom dysmorphia is if you have, let's say, horrible insecurity about how your nose looks on screen, you also assume that because you think it's that bad, everybody else on Zoom is staring at it, judging you, analyzing it as much as you are.
Okay. There's no chance that some folks are actually looking at themselves and thinking the opposite, are they? Like, I think I'm better this way. I don't want to go out and be seen in person. I don't want to come to the office because I look better on this screen when it's all grainy and far away.
So I think that's an excellent question. The reason why we don't look at the screen and say, wow, I look beautiful in this, is because we're so used to a social media being able to crop, filter, do things that we can to, in our mind, make ourselves look better. So when we're using Zoom and we don't have access to that, it sometimes can be a little jarring.
That's true, because a lot of people now, even when you take pictures and you're out and about, oh, put a filter on it, or can you touch me up a little bit? And so we're now conditioned, because we're so used to seeing our filtered selves, like, oh, this is what I actually look like at work on this Zoom.
That's right. We're just conditioned to look for things that don't look good, that we think don't look good.
Well, it looks like Zoom isn't going anywhere, unfortunately. So what can we do then about this if we're having these sort of thoughts and feelings?
Sure. So the first is, as I always say, be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself. We are all going through this kind of collective trauma together over the last year and a half. We're all in similar situations. The other is start small. If you know that you're going back out there and that you need to go back out there for work or for school, start with people who you feel comfortable being vulnerable with. Get used to that feeling of discomfort and then gradually branch out. The other is unplug. As we branch out socially, we may not need to use FaceTime or Zoom as much as we used to keep in touch with family or friends or even for dating. So try to really unplug in the areas that you're able to unplug in. And, remember that these facial features that we don't like, they weren't necessarily so apparent before the pandemic. They didn't really exist before. So if everybody kind of gradually starts to get back to that perception prior to the pandemic, that will help as well. And if it's something that continues to really cause tremendous anxiety, seek help with a mental health professional.
What do you say to some folks who may be watching this and are saying, oh, come on, is this even real? I mean, maybe it's just folks who have low self-esteem.
So everybody has a dose of low self-esteem, some more than others. But the difference is with this is that people with low self-esteem may be more at risk for developing this. But it really, and research has shown this, it really has affected many people regardless of self-esteem issues and, people that didn't necessarily have anxiety prior to this.
And if you don't like what folks are thinking or saying about you, at least with Zoom, you can put them on mute, as
That's
we've
right.
done with Mike Jarek right now. And
That's right.
Psychology Today even had an article about this, saying
Yes.
when seeing yourself on Zoom feels like a funhouse mirror. I thought that was an interesting way to put it.
Yes.
So, you know, we just need to love on ourselves a little bit.
That's right. That's right.
But I admit,
Be patient.
it's hard to look cute on Zoom. I'm just saying.
It is. It is.
But you're doing a great job. Thank you so much, Dr. Jamie Zuckerman. And it's something we should certainly watch out for as we continue to Zoom our lives away.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you to Karen and Mike, who were also parts of that segment. Mike says he hopes that she doesn't watch that back.
Yeah, she'll be mortified.
You guys have, a lot of fun with it. But that's what people do on Zoom. Sometimes, I guess they don't know if their camera's on, and they're like looking at stuff or checking things out. Or like people do, as we've seen in headlines, people do all kinds of things on Zoom.